Stinky's henchman in the Supreme Court just gave him the green light to crime. Roll it!
All on the official side of the line. If you're the president and you're ordering even unlawful action by subordinates, that's acting in your official capacity. Only the president can do that. And so...
Outrageous. Outrageous. Unbelievable what this court just did. We ran from a monarchy because we didn't want one. And essentially, they're making this guy some kind of king, this functionally illiterate Slav, a king. Continue.
I think it's pretty clear that this case has blessed the idea that some of that conduct, really extreme conduct, would be subject to immunity forever if engaged in by a president. And I think that's
amazing. Amazing.
That's why the stakes of this case are so high.
All right, thank you. Let's bring in ABC News investigative reporter Katherine Faulders. Katherine, I know you've been talking to Trump's legal team and all of this. They were focused on this case, not just, again, about the January 6th case, but also the documents case. What's their reaction today?
Right, I was just on the phone with a source close to Trump's legal team, and the quote that they gave me, and they're still reading through this just like us, but they say this is as good as it could possibly be without...
Unbelievable. We have to vote all of these assholes out, every single one of them.
Absolute immunity. Obviously, that's for the reasons that we've been discussing. This is a very detailed opinion. They're focused on some of the language in this opinion that single out Trump's words, for example. Obviously, Mike Pence, as we've also been...
So basically, he stole our classified documents and landed in Florida with them, and they're claiming that because he was the president, quote unquote, during that time, that was legal to do, to steal our documents. It's outrageous.
Talking about, but this is something that maybe they predicted, but didn't predict that it would go this much in their favor. Now, of course,
those hacks have got to go. We got to figure out something to do to equalize what those hacks are doing, because they're destroying our country. Those fascists in the Supreme Court are destroying our country, by the way.
They didn't find absolute immunity, but this essentially stalls this. There likely won't be a trial before the election. There will be a lot of litigation at the D.C. District Court down the street. But they also are focused on the fact that this could affect Florida. Remember, the judge there has essentially stalled the proceedings in Florida. That's the classified.
And imagine that dingbat over that case.
Documents case. The Trump lawyers filed a motion there based on presidential immunity. They want the case thrown out. They say that Trump was...
Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Who believes this?
Immune in the classified boxes case, because when he landed in Florida, he was still president, and therefore that's an official act. Now,
I just said that. Unbelievable.
The judge there will likely schedule hearings as well.
Oh my God. Oh, ho, 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 ho. This shit show. Oh, we got to put a stop to this.